Welcome to Lena Mass Academy. Name of the paper Business Statistics. One of the unit is Measures of Central Tendency. Subtitle Arithmetic Mean Type 2 Discrete Series. In this video we will discuss about the calculation of arithmetic mean in discrete series with the help of three methods. Discrete series means where frequencies of a variable are given but the variable is without class interval. The actual values with the corresponding frequencies are given in the following form. Observed values x1, x2, x3 and so on, and frequency f1, f2, f3, f4 and so on. Methods of arithmetic mean in discrete series. There are three methods. First one direct method, second one shortcut method and third one step deviation method. Method 1 direct method. Formula for arithmetic mean x bar is summation of fx by summation of f. Capital X is variable, capital X bar arithmetic mean. Frequency of each variable, summation of f. Sum of the frequencies, summation of fx is total of product of frequencies with their respective variable. Example, calculate the mean number of person using direct method. Number of person 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Number of houses 10, 25, 30, 25 and 10. Solutions. Let us consider the variable x is number of person and frequency f number of houses. Here x 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. F 10, 25, 30, 25 and 10. Here x1 is 2, x2 is 3, x3 is 4, x4 is 5, x5 is 6 and f1 is 10, f2 25, f3 30, f4 25, f5 10. Therefore f1 x1 multiple of 10 and 2 that is 20. f2 x2 25 and 3 multiple of 25 and 3 is 75. And f3 x3 is 30 into 4 120 and f4 x4 25 into 5 is 125 and f5 and x5 10 into 6 that is 60. Therefore the sum of the values of f 10 plus 25 plus 30 plus 25 plus 10 is 100. That means summation of f is 100. Summation of fx, that means 20 plus 75 plus 120 plus 125 plus 60. So sum of the values we get 400. Therefore sum of fx is 400. Formula arithmetic mean x bar is summation of fx by summation of f. From the table we get summation of f is 100, summation of fx is 400. After simplifying we get x bar is 4. Next method, shortcut method. The formula for arithmetic mean x bar is a plus summation of fd divided by summation of f. As usual, capital A is assumed mean and summation of f is sum of the frequencies. Summation of fd means total of the product of deviation and respective frequency. Deviation means d x minus a, that is deviation of x from a. Example of shortcut method. Marks. Calculate the arithmetic mean by shortcut method. Marks 40, 50, 54, 60, 68, 80. Number of students 10, 80, 18, 20, 39, 15, 8. Let us consider x as mark, frequency of number of students. Choose certain value of a if it's not specified in a problem. Basically, the variables are decreasing order or increasing order. Here, the variables 40, 50, 54, 60, 68, 80. That is increasing order. So, if we choose the middle value of assumed mean, we get the least value of summation of f and summation of fd. So, here the middle values are 54 and 60. Here we choose assumed mean a 60. So the marks are 40, 50, 54, 60, 68, 80. Number of students 10, 18, 20, 39, 15, 8. So deviation x minus a. A means assumed mean 60. So x minus a. Here x1 is 40. 40 minus 60 is minus 20. Next value x2 50. 50 minus 60 is minus 10. D3 54 minus 60 is minus 6. Similarly we get D4 0, that is 60 minus 60 is 0, 68 minus 60 is 8, 80 minus 60 is 20. So next we have to calculate FD, product of frequency and deviation. F value 10, multiple of minus 20. So 10 into minus 20 is minus 200. So F1 x D1 is minus 200. Next value F2 D2. F2 is 18, corresponding value of D2 is minus 10. So 18 into minus 10 is minus 180. Next value 20 multiple of minus 6 is minus 120. Next value 39 into 0, 0. 15 into 8 is 120. 8 into 20 is 160. So sum of the values, summation of FD is minus 220. Summation of F, total frequency 110. So from the table, summation of F is 110. Summation of FD is minus 220. The formula x bar is A plus summation of FD divided by summation of F. So assumed mean 60 plus summation of FD minus 220 divided by summation of F plus 110. Here after simplifying we get minus 2. Here plus into minus is minus. So 60 minus 2 is 58. So x bar is 58. Next method 3, step deviation method. Formula for step deviation method x bar is A plus C multiple of summation of FD dash divided by summation of F. Here x bar is arithmetic mean, A assumed mean, C common difference, summation of F is sum of the frequencies, summation of FD dash is deviation to sum of product of the frequency and deviation. Here deviation means x minus A divided by C. Example, calculate the arithmetic mean from the following discrete series. Daily wages 75, 100, 120, 150, 200 and number of labor 5, 12, 20, 14 and 9. Here let us consider daily wages x and frequency number of labor. Here the given data, this is middle value. Let us consider this series is increasing order, so we choose the middle value 120. Let us consider A 120. Common difference is here 25, here 20, here 30, here 50. So we consider the common difference is 5. So x1 is 75, x2 100, x3 120, x4 150, x5 is 200. Frequency F1 5, F2 15, F3 20, F4 19, F5 9. So x minus A divided by C. That means x minus A value 120 divided by common difference 5. So x1, first value x1 75. 75 minus 120 divided by 5. 75 minus 120 is minus 45. Divided by 5 is minus 9. So D1 is minus 9. Next D2 value x2 100 minus 120 divided by 5. So 1 minus 20 divided by 5 is minus 4. So D2 dash is minus 4. D3 value x3 minus 120 divided by 5. Here x3 is 120. 120 minus 120 divided by 5 is 0 by 5. 0 by anything is 0. Similarly, we have D4 dash is 6 and D5 dash is 16. Next, we have to calculate the value of FD dash. F1 D1 dash, F1 value 5, multiple of D1 dash is minus 9. So 5 into minus 9 is minus 45. F2 D2 dash 12 into minus 4 is minus 48. F3 D3 dash 20 into 0 is 0. F4 D4 dash is 84. F5 D4 D5 dash is 144. So summation of FD dash is summation of F1 D1 dash F plus summation of F2 D2 dash plus summation of F3 D3 dash plus summation of F4 D4 dash plus summation of F5 D5 dash. So minus 45 minus 48 plus 0 plus 84 plus 144, we have 135. So summation of FD dash is 135. And summation of F frequency F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4 plus F5, that is 5 plus 12 plus 20 plus 14 plus 9 is summation of F60. So from the table we get summation of F60 and summation of FD dash 135. We have the assumed mean 120 and a common difference 5. Therefore, formula x bar is A plus C into summation of FD dash divided by summation of F. A 120 plus common difference 5 into summation of FD dash is 135 divided by summation of F is 60. After simplifying we get 11.25. So 120 plus 11.25 is 131.25. So all the three methods differ in form but not in content. They give the same result in any problem. So arithmetic mean type 2 method is over. Thank you.